Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today on Sunday. Yes, it's Sunday. In the weekend edition of Sunday, October the 5th, October the 6th, 2024. It's today, Sunday, October the 6th. We have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2, the 3, the 4-star Sudoku, the jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars, the jigsaw Sudoku with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this afternoon. In the evening, we have a samurai Sudoku. This will take me more than an hour to solve. But first, let me start with these 4 puzzles in the additional of the weekend edition. Number 9389. This will be 9389. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 32. I cannot believe this. 32 printed digits. That's a lot for a 3 stars puzzle. Usually it has 25, so 7 digits more. Cannot say it's a 3 stars puzzle. For a 3 stars puzzle, we need 20 to 30 minutes. Well, I don't think it's a 3 stars. Maybe it's a 1 star. Maybe a 0 stars. For a 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 14, 30 minutes. All right, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about we have 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left to choose should be here, or there. We have 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 in that row, no 2 there. The only place left to choose should be there. Then let me see. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here, or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then let me see. Need a 9 here. 1, 4. Need a 4 there. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Shoot me down. Then 1, 2, 3, and the 6. Wow. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Right. Need a 6 there. Need a 1 in this column. 1 in the second column, so the third column. First column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. We have 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 in that row, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Then, yeah. 9. Let me see. The 9 in this row, the 9 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 in that column, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. Yeah. Need a 7 there. Need a 7 here. And the 6 here, we have a pair. I believe this should be a 4 here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row. Second row, so no 7 there. We have a 7 in the third column, no 7 in that box. So the 7 in this big square could be here. Could be there. And we have a pair. The 7 and the 6 in the third column, the 7 in one of those two boxes, and the 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only two places left for the 7 and 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7 and 6, 7 and 6. So one digit left in the first column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 4, 4. Then, let me see. Need a 3, need a 8. 3 and 8. Yeah. I need an 8 here. I'm thinking. 1, 4, I need a 1 here. Yeah, in this column we need a 1. Yeah, here give me 1, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. Last row. Here give me 1, we have a 1 in the third row, no 1 there. Here give me 1, we have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 in this column should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this column. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in this box. So the 6 in this column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Then 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column, so the column 3. The only two places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. Then need a 4 here. Then 6 in this column, 6 in the column next, so last column. The only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6, okay. 3 and 5. 1 box left now in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing here. Then 7, 2, 4. 3. Come on. Well. 2, need a 2 there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so in the row between only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. We have all the 1s and 2s, and all the 1s are used. I can't see digit 1, number 1. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 2. Then 7 and need a 4 here. 4 in this third column, 4 in the first column, so the column 3 in the second column. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the last row, 4 in that row, so the row between. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column, so the column 3. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row, so the third row. The only place left for the 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. This is number 3, number 4. All right, and now 3, 7, 5. No. 7, 8, 5. How about these 3 missing numbers are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 5, 7, 8. That means 1 digit left in the last column for the number 1, the 2, 3 is missing here. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and 7. Let me mark those. That means 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 3 and 8, we have a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 7, 8 is missing, and then 9 is missing. 6, 8, 9. And look, we have a 6 and 8 in the middle column, so no 6 and 8 in this box. 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so it'll come next on place level 9, should be there. Then 5, 7, 8, okay. 7 and 8. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so the row between. Only place level 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can't see. Digit number 4, number 9. Then 2 numbers left in the middle column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5. 3 and a 5. Well, cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. It means here should be 1, 2, 3, 4. Need a 6 here. I need a 6 in this big square. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left. 6 should be there. 7 and 6. We have a 6 in the last row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 7 goes there. 6 in this column. Oh, we already have 6 here also. We have all the 6s. And all the 6s. No, 6 and 8. We have a 6 now in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 8 goes there. Now we have all the 6s. And all the 6s are used. I can't see. This is number 5, number 6. Okay. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 now in the last column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 or 5. We have a 5 now. So this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. The 6, 7, 8 is missing. 5 and 8. 5 and 8 cannot fill this yet. 7 and a 3. We have 7 in the last row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 box left now in this row. I believe the 3, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the second column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 8 in this column. 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only place level 8 should be there. 5 and 8. We have 8 in the first row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 5 goes there. The 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place level 5 should be there. So the other 2 numbers should be the 7 and 8. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Wow. Told you, should be at 0 stars. I'm faster than 30 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.